I have another mechanical pencil here. This is the Faber-Castell. This is a, see, Faber-Castell. This is a 0.7 millimeter. It is triangular in shape, plastic barrel. They come in varying sizes. I'm guessing maybe 9, 5, and 7. This is a 7. This lead is Faber-Castell super polymer. It's the 0.7 millimeter HB. And let's see, durability wise, it's plastic. Seems durable enough. It's light. I like it. The balance, it's a little back heavy, slightly, I think. Rattle, there's no rattling. Precision, I think it's fairly precise looking. It has a metal clip. It looks metal anyway. Only ID for the lead is the size. There's no other kind of indicator of the type of lead grade eraser. It has a twist eraser, as you can see in a moment. It comes out slightly at a time. It's fairly long, as you can see. I like the twisty ones. They're a lot more convenient than those little tiny things. The tip goes in. You can see there's no tip now. And then the lead comes out like so. Has a retractable tip, as you just saw. To bring it back in, all you gotta do is like this, and it's in. Just like pushing the lead in when you want to store it without breaking the lead. Pros and cons. I don't have any really pros or cons about this one. I mean, I like the twist eraser. That's a real pro for me. I like the triangular shape. It's a pro for me because I use 3 fingers when I'm holding the pencils. So maybe that's just me. Those who are taught with holding 3 fingers, like so. Or not like so, but people hold it differently. Yeah. Let's go ahead and do the, show you the lead. Alright, ABCs. One, two, three. Do some lines. As you can hear, it's a hard lead. Do some squigglies. It is not a, I wouldn't say it's an HB. I would call it more of a hard lead, because it's not really, you'll see when I bring it up to show you. Do some of the erasing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't erase nicely because I was pressing harder. Because as you can see, maybe not, that it is a really light HB lead, in my opinion. And you can see in the erasing example that it didn't erase all that well, in my opinion. Because I can still see some of the remnants of the graphite on the paper, more so than these other ones that I've been showing you. It's a good lead. I mean, I wouldn't say it's an HB. It's probably closer to an H, or a 1H, maybe even a 2H. Yeah. I have a 2H from in my, here, let me just go ahead and show you what a 2H looks like. I have this pencil. It's a 2H. Let me turn this. It's an H, it's a 2H. But for some reason I can't. I don't want to use one of the tips to turn it. But I'll show you the lead I'm using on this one. It is some old Cornor high polymer, not polymer, Polymax leads, as you can see, and it is 2H, as you can. Let me just try to let it focus on there. This is a 0.3 2H. That's what this is. This is a Pentel Graph Gear 1000. It is 0.3. Let me try to, there you go. 0.3 at the tip there. It's a Pentel. Okay, let me go ahead and give you an example of what what is it, 2H looks like. This is a couple of days old, decades old. And as you can see, this 2H is darker by a couple of degrees than this HB, which is supposed to be darker or softer than this 2H, which is supposed to be harder. But it is more than 3 decades old lead. Not really sure why I showed you that, but it is what it is. All right, thank you for your time, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.